Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to another video of my channel. I am Kishal. I hope you all are doing well. So I hope from the thumbnail you get to know about the topic of today's video. In couple of videos back, I have shared my journey that how did I learn AI machine learning. And there I mentioned that there is not a straight cut roadmap to follow. I have learned it through many resources, many courses that I have done, many hands-on experiences like doing a lot of projects. And then finally, when I was doing my research at IIT Kharagpur, there also, kind of the main part of learning had happened. So it's a continuous process that happened for last 5.5 years. But a lot of you have asked me that share some resources so that you can start learning about AI machine learning. So that's why I thought about that what are resources I have followed on different topics that is related to AI machine learning and the prerequisite that I'll be sharing in this particular video. In specific, what are the prerequisite subject that is there, for example, linear algebra, probability, optimization. For that, which are resources that you can follow. So all the resources are free resources like video lectures or the PDF of books which is available in internet that I'll be sharing. So first I'll be sharing about the prerequisites like linear algebra, probability, optimization from where you can study these things. And then the core machine learning, which are the resources you can follow, which are the courses that you can follow. And I'll be referring the most convenient and most easy one to follow. And finally, I'll be talking about the deep learning resources. I mean, from where you can study about deep learning things. So that will be the content of today's video. So in this video, I'll give you all the references that will be your guide if you are someone who is just starting your journey for AI and machine learning. And this video also will be helpful for those students who are preparing for GATE DA because these are resources that will cover most of the syllabus of GATE DA. So if you want to know detail about it, please stay tuned this video till end. And before starting the video, as I always say, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload this kind of video, you will get instant notification. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Without further delay, let's start into today's video. Okay, so let me share with you the resources that is freely available, which a beginner can follow to learn AI or machine learning. So first thing that you need to learn, which is a prerequisite for learning AI machine learning is linear algebra or LA. So in my last video also I have mentioned it that linear algebra is one of the prerequisites for learning machine learning because there are many concepts in machine learning that if you want to really understand, you have to understand the concepts of linear algebra. For example, the concept of vector spaces, eigenvalue, eigenvector, dimensionality, then singular value decomposition, rank. So all these concepts that is there in linear algebra that you have to understand and you should know them very well. You should have a sense of those things because these terms will keep on coming in different topics of machine learning. So first you have to learn linear algebra, and the best resource for linear algebra which is available online is video lecture by Professor Gilbert Stang. I hope you all know about Professor Gilbert Stang. So he was a professor in MIT, and this lecture series which is available in YouTube, Gilbert Stang lectures on linear algebra. I think there are 1235 videos, and these are kind of bible of linear algebra. So these are uh, this course is a applied linear algebra course where Professor Strang didn't explore that much of theory, but he will give you a sense of linear algebra, all the topics that is there in linear algebra. He will give you a sense of it, and if you complete this course, you will have an idea about what are the different concepts that is there in linear algebra. And I hope that will be sufficient for you because that sense is needed. Because whenever you will be following machine learning topics, you don't have to prove always, but you should have a basic sense like what is a vector space, what is the dimension of a vector space, what is the high dimensional space, rank, then eigenvalue, eigenvector, orthogonality. So these concepts you should have a very solid understanding of, and you should have a sense of these concepts, and that will be helpful for you. And this course by Professor Gilbert Strang is kind of a bible for that. I mean, if you follow this, you will have a lot of knowledge about it. Also, there is a book by Professor Strang, so that also you can follow. Its PDF is also available, so that book also you can follow for linear algebra. Next is probability statistics. Again, one of the prerequisites for learning machine learning and AI. This also I told in my last video that in machine learning, You should have an understanding of distribution, random variables, Gaussian distribution, mean, standard deviation. So these things will keep on coming in every topic of your machine learning or AI. So you should have a sense of those things also, and for that you have to do some courses on probability and statistics. So the first course is again by MIT, the video lecture by MIT. The instructor is John Cisilix and Patrick Jelliet. So there are two playlists that is available in YouTube. One is the old classic one where these two professors have actually teaches everything in class. So there are total 25 videos. So this is this 6.041, the lecture number. But recently, MIT 6.012, so there is another lecture series I have found out where there are 266 videos. So they have made one video for a small topic. So they have distributed these long videos into small topic, and they made separate video for that. So I will suggest you that you can refer to any one of them because the instructors are same. The only thing is this is a more detailed classroom video, and this is like for every subtopic they have made a video. So this video lecture is kind of again, it contains everything what is needed to know about probability statistics for machine learning. And also these two people they have a book also. Now I think Introduction to Probability, the same name they have used, this Introduction to Probability. The book name is also, and its PDF version is also available. That also you can refer to. But the most popular book is by Professor Sheldon Ross. So there are many books this guy has written, like First Course in Probability, Introduction to Statistics, Introduction to Probability Statistics for Engineering Scientists, Stochastic Process. So these books, all these books are really well. You can refer to any one of these because all these books kind of contain similar thing. At least first couple of chapters, if you study, that will be sufficient. I mean, till distribution, if you study, that will be sufficient for AI machine learning. So you can refer any one of them, and you can follow it. Apart from that, there is one website, www.probabilitycourse.com. So this website is also really good. So this looks something like this, where there are different topics that is there. Like it starts with combinatories, then discrete random variables, continuous random variable, joint distribution, multiple random variable, limit theorem, convergence, statistical inference, and all these concepts. These concepts are something that you have to learn if you want to move to AI machine learning. So these websites also you can follow if you want to learn about probability. And there, for every topic, there are a lot of questions that is there in the website, and their solution is also given. So that will be actually a hands-on practice for you also. You'll be learning at the same time, you'll be practicing the questions and getting the solution. Next is optimization. So in my last video again, I referred about optimization. So optimization is something that is the core of machine learning. Every machine learning algorithm tries to maximize something called loss function or objective function. So you have to understand how optimization works. So I will not say that you have to understand everything about optimization, but a basic understanding should be there because uh, the concept called gradient descent, which happen in almost every machine learning algorithm, that is something related to optimization. So for optimization, there is one nice lecture series by Professor Sirish Sevade from ISC Bangalore. This is called Numerical Optimization. So this contains around 41 lecture videos. So these videos are really, really well. In my last video, I talked about computational method of optimization by Professor Chiru. But, Professor Chiru doesn't have any YouTube video or lecture series. But, this particular one is a much more simpler one, and it's easy to understand. The only disadvantage is the slides are not available because Professor Sirish Sevade doesn't prefer to share the slides. So you have to, go through each of the videos, and you have to take your notes. So it will be a bit tedious, but once if you go through it once, that is, and then prepare the notes, that will be, sufficient for you. So this one lecture that is very much help that will be very much helpful for you to learn optimization. Another lecture series is there by Professor Stephen Boyd, that is convex optimization. This is a bit of advanced level course, I would say. This is a Stanford course. So if someone is really interested to know more about optimization, I'll recommend them to refer to this particular lecture series. This is also available in YouTube. You can just search, you'll be getting it. Now coming to the main topic, machine learning. So machine learning, there are a lot of lecture series that is available in NPTEL in our country. NPTEL lecture series are available in foreign. Almost all top universities have a machine learning course. But I'll refer here few of the most easy, I will say, or most convenient for the beginners to follow. And there are some resources that I'll be sharing here. First one is slides by Professor Piyush Rai from IIT Kanpur. So Professor Piyush Rai is taking a machine learning course since 2016 when he joined IIT Kanpur. I think he joined in 2014, and since then he's taking a machine learning course. But in the previous versions are available, and the websites are available, and you can see different topics are there, and their slides are available. So please refer to these slides if you want to learn machine learning, because these slides are self-sufficient. If you follow these slides, and if you just follow what is written there and try to understand it, that will be sufficient for you to understand machine learning. At the same time, Professor P.S. Sastry from ISC Bangalore, he also has a video lecture series, something called pattern recognition. This is a bit tougher compared to the previous one, but this is also something that is a benchmark video lecture series by any professor. So I think he has covered almost everything that is there in pattern recognition book by Bishop. So this lecture series also you can follow if you want to learn pattern recognition or machine learning. And also, machine learning is, not complete if I don't take the name of a legend called Andrew Ng. So his Coursera series are quite popular. But I think if you really want to learn machine learning, Coursera is not that much of standard. Rather, I would recommend you to follow this course by Professor Andrew Ng. They stand for CS229 course. I think 2019 lectures are available in YouTube. So you can refer to these videos. So there are 20 videos that is there, and you can refer to these lecture series also. Apart from these, there are these two standard or state of the art book, I would say. One is Machine Learning Probability Perspective by Kevin P. Murphy, and another one is Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning, Christopher M. Bishop. These two books are kind of, again, kind of the Bible of machine learning and pattern recognition. And if you just read these two books, you will learn a lot of things. So I have never completed these two books. I mean, I have read it in some parts maybe, but these two books are highly recommended for a machine learning practitioner. If you want to learn really well machine learning or pattern recognition, these two books he or she can follow. Finally, deep learning, the advanced version of machine learning, I would say. So deep learning, again, the video lecture that is quite popular in India, that is by Professor Mitesh Kabra from IIT Madras. So these lecture series you can follow. There are 118 videos that is available. I hope you can see the number of views. The first one is almost 5 lakh views. So this is a gem. I mean, Professor Mitesh Kabra is really, really good teacher. And if you just follow this lecture series, your lot of confusion about deep learning will be clear. Again, another lecture series which I recently found that is also quite good. That is by MIT, Introduction to Deep Learning. There are only 81 videos that is there, and you can refer to this also. All the latest deep learning model are being covered in this particular video lecture. Finally, there is a book also about deep learning. This book, I think, is published in around 2014 or 15. It's by Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow and Josio Bengio. So Josio Bengio is one of the Turing Award winner for deep learning. So this book is also really, really good. I mean, these two, at least this Mitesh Kabra lecture that you'll be watching, a lot of material is actually taken from this deep learning book. So yeah, I mean, if you really want to, if you are someone who prefers to study, so its PDF is available online, so you can refer to the PDF version of this particular book. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it about this video. I have tried to give you all the free resources that is available from where you can start your AI and machine learning journey. These are resources you can follow for these topics, and I hope this will be helpful for you, and you will learning a lot of things from these resources. If you follow them really seriously, you will learn a lot of things, because these are kind of the standard materials that is available freely, and you can refer to it anytime if you want, and you can learn a lot of things from it. So if you have any question or query, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want me to make a video on some other topic, that also you can mention in the comment of the video. I'll try to make it. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video other people. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because similar kind of content will be coming up, so that you will get instant notification. That's it about the video. I'll meet you in next video. Until then,